Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to make pumpkin palya, which is a South Indian dish. Usually pumpkin is very underrated vegetables. A lot of people do not like to eat vegetable pumpkin, especially our children. But however, during winter we should include all vegetables in our diet because different vegetables have different nutrition, and the more bright color vegetables, the more the nutrition level. So we should make it in a different way for our children so that they don't get bored and they can try a different dish. So I have been in South India for almost a decade now, so I try to cook my recipes both Bengali or South Indian style. So today pumpkin I'm going to make it in South Indian style. So here in a pan I have taken, it's very simple. In a pan I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I put little mustard seed, chopped onion, chopped green chilies, and then I fry them little bit until it is golden brown. Then I add here the chopped pumpkin and a half tablespoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste, and mix everything very well and cook it nicely. So until we need to cook until the pumpkin gets softened. So I am going to cover it with a lid and cook it until the pumpkin becomes softens. So guys, please do make this South Indian style pumpkin palya. Everybody eats pumpkin on their own traditional cultural way of cooking, but this is the South Indian style. So in South India they use lot of coconut in their curries. Coconut is very healthy. So here today in pumpkin I am going to add coconut. So after the pumpkin has been cooked little bit, I am going to add here a half cup of grated coconut and mix everything very well. And then again I am going to cover it with the lid and cook it for another 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes the pumpkin has been cooked very nicely, even the coconut also been fried. Now I am going to garnish it with chopped coriander. So coriander will give it a nice flavor. In winter you get fresh coriander, so I try to use coriander in almost all my dishes. So guys, this is very simple. Anybody can make this dish, but trust me, it's very yummy. But sometimes we may underrate vegetables, telling thinking maybe it does not taste good with rice or chapati, but this particular dish goes very well with chapati, hot steamed rice. It's so yummy. My family just love it, and my child also loves it, this pumpkin and coconut palya. So please do make pumpkin palya at home and let me know in the comment how it comes out. So please do subscribe to my channel for more South Indian and also Bengali style cooking, because I do make South Indian and Bengali both recipes in my channels. So thank you so much for watching everyone, and please do subscribe to my channel and also comment to my channel after making this particular recipe how it comes out. So the more you comment, the more I'll get motivated to make more South Indian and Bengali dishes.